Hey friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping in. So today I am going to make some little backpack charms. These are going to be for my grandson. He loves Minecraft. So these are from the Dollar Tree, $1.25. Although I don't know how much longer that's going to be because I have heard that prices are going up again. We'll see. But I do have these little Minecraft charms, and these are going to be for his backpack. So I've got a little pair of pliers, not the best ones, but I can't find my good ones for some reason. This is a little mini drill. I use this for so much. This is from Amazon. It's like 18 bucks. I have another one that was even cheaper, but I haven't been able to find it since last year. So now you can do, so I'm using these little clips here. They're from Amazon, and then these are the little rings I'm going to use. But you can use ones with little clips to make it easy to clip on the backpack. The reason I'm using these is because I'm going to put them all on this tiny little D-ring to make it easy for him to just clip it all on his backpack because he wants all three of these. And then these little eye hooks here, let me show you, they're so small. But this is what I'm going to use. It's going to go into the top of it. And that's what's going to turn them into backpack charms. So these are super fun, and it's so fun to make little backpack charms. You know, you can make purse charms, whatever it is, you know. But my grandson loves Minecraft, even though the funny thing is he's never played it because he's not allowed to. Now, I can make a choice. I can take this off the bottom if I want, which I like to. I always take the bottoms off, but you don't have to. There's nothing that says you have to. That's just the way I like. That's the look that I like. And then I'm take my little clippers and clip off anything that's, so there's that. I think that taking the bottoms off help them to look more like backpack charms as opposed to, you know, these little figures that they actually are. And I've always gotten these at Dollar Tree. I know you can find them other places. Five Below has them. I'm sure that Walmart probably does too. And these are super fun because you can get them in just such a variety. So our little piggy. I think that this probably needs to come off here. Okay. So there's him. Yeah, my grandson is not allowed to play video games. Well, he's allowed to play them, like if we go to like Chuck E. Cheese or something like that, then he's allowed to play them, but not like at home. So he's never even played Minecraft, but he sure does love the idea of Minecraft and Fortnite. He's never played either one. Again, you know, you don't have to take the bottoms off. I personally prefer them without the bottoms on them. And so these are super easy, and they, like I said, they have all kinds of different little characters. You can find anything except, well, I say that, but I've been looking for Pirates of the Caribbean because my other grandson just wants pirates, and I'm having such a hard time finding something pirates to make backpack, you know, charms for him. All right, so my little drill, I'm going to turn it on. It's going to be loud, but I'm just going to put just a little hole in the top, and that's just to make it easy to screw in my eye hook. I'm not super centered, but it's fine. And if you don't have a little drill, like you can do this without it. I just, it's harder to, to get the screw started or the little eye hook started without it. It just makes it easier. Really hard for me to hold this well enough to clamp it under, but I'm just clamping the little pieces together. I really need to find my better pliers. And then, so for me, and I'll go back and do this, one of the things that I do like to do is I take a toothpick and put just a little bit of super glue on the hook here. And then I also like to put a little bit on the space where I closed it together, just to make sure it doesn't fall off. So I'll go back and do that. But now I have my little backpack charms for him. And like I said, you could do these with like little clamps, but because I was doing so many of them is why I decided to do the keychain hook so that I could put them on the D-ring instead, because he's going to put all of them on his backpack. And then this way he could just clamp it on like this and he can have them on. He's 5. He wants all of them. But like I said, they make ones, and I have some with like little clips, make it easy, but do it however you want. But this is just a fun little idea for back to school and for decorating backpacks. So tomorrow I'm going to make my other little grandson his. I couldn't find any pirates, so it won't be pirates, but yeah. So anyways, these are cute. I just thought I would share. I hope you guys have a blessed and beautiful day, friends. I'll see you later. Bye.